Hello, my name is Anib Hassan and my student ID is 4303658. Today I am going to present my classwork 2 of data management, in which we have provided by the two data files in CSV, and we have to merge those files, create a dimensional table, fact table, that can be a snowflake or star schema. I have used star schema for performing this task. So we have to first create the dimensional table and like this stuff. So I create the star schema in which I have a one fact table and five dimensional table. So one fact table contain one primary key for the fact table, which is obtained by combining two to three tables from the fact table, and all other are the primary keys, and two more tables that can be used in our furthermore queries, but they are not can be uh, adjust with the dimensional table. So I took one authority table, material table, period table, and waste stream or faculty period, faculty dimension, and one I took the fact table in which all of those primary foreign keys are added with the primary keys of the dimensional table. So let's start. First of all, I have in data flow, I have first performed the the task in which I took two CSV files, then convert them into the Excel file um, manually. So then I took them as input. I took those files, then I create a derived column. In derived column, I have performed the task that is assigned to us for change over student ID. So in my derived column of this one, I have write the query for converting that my student for converting the ONS code with my student ID, where the authority ID is Kent County Council. I have performed this task, and then I have performed the task to miss to like save the code from mismatching columns. Like those columns are available in two but not available in the one. I perform the task and make them similar to each other, and give some give some, you can say, we can say, give some data types for them for stopping them from the mismatching. And then we have at the end we got a one database. The database contain all the columns in both of them, all the data in both of them. Then I took that one into the data task flow 2. Here I took that database from which we have export in the last one. Then I perform all the dimensional table and fact table, and then got the database of all of them. By performing this, we come here in my database. Here are the tables. In tables, I have got all of the dimensional table and fact table and our database that can I we got from the Excel files after the union. So here we have to done the task after assigning all the primary key, null columns, not null columns, each and everything. We are here for performing our queries. So let's start with the first. In my first query, I have to took the top five, give the ranking for top five. Uh, so let's run that one, where the out procedure type is dry recyclate. We have to just take the data from dry recyclate, where outer output processor ID is dry recyclate. Let's execute this one. This one is come. After that, we have to rank till 10. So we have to select all, then execute this one. And here we get all the authorities from 1 to 10 rank and their total turns, each and everything. After that, we have to perform a task in which we have to convert over data into a JSON file. So I took the data from by using my fact table, where we have the access by using the join function from the SQL. We can access any other column that has the foreign key in fact table and primary key in any other table. So I, with the help of this both two, I perform this task and execute this. I got a JSON file. In this JSON file, I have all the data, each and everything. After that, I have to build up a dynamic hierarchy stored procedure in which I took three things that can be used for access this one start date, end date, and hierarchical level, like it's monthly, quarterly, which one is it. So for creating this one, we have to just select it, and we have to just select the code. For writing the code, it's really time taking. So we just run it, it's completed, but it's stored in the programmability. Here we go to the stored procedures, and when we refresh it, we will get that one in our database, in our tables. um, and here is our programmability, here is a stored procedure, and here I get that one. That's the my name. If I build any other one, then we can take to it, tag these as well, and it can save over time for doing the same procedure again and again. We just took these and perform those tasks that can be used frequently. So after that, I export all the data that query we have done in the task 3 in JSON file. I have took all the data from the JSON file and then import it on my Excel, on my Power BI. And in my Power BI, I have here is the I use two slicers basically, one for the all the consoles, you can say all the consoles, and one for the time 2015. I divide the each year in three different time period, like quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, 4 months of each year. I You can select any of that, and it can perform the task related to that ones. You can see here in the sum of the total tons, and at the left side as well in quarter you can see that. So that's my task for that, and thank you so much for your time. Have a good year and best of luck for the next year. Thank you so much.